Monday through Friday, she off in the zone. Come Friday night, then she know that it's on. Call her girls and she rolling up. Hit the party, it's going up. Shake that, work that, move that, yeah. She a good girl, but you know she bad though.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell, I got these bob braids. I did it. So if you guys want to see how I did these, stay tuned. Don't forget to like this video. If you want to see more hair videos, let me know down in the comments. And also, I mean, come on, look at this makeup. Give this some likes, man. Like the finger. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit the notification bell so you'll be updated when I post more videos. So yeah, thanks guys. Let's get into the video. So now I'm just going to do the front and I'll get back to you. Okay, so now that I am done with the front part of my hair, I know it looks crazy, but we'll fix that when I'm done. So I'm done with the front part. And now I am going to finish up in the middle, and when I get to the back, I will show you guys. So see y'all. So I'm going to turn around and we're going to complete the back so that you guys could see it. Okay guys, so right now we're going to figure out like what length we want it and where we want it to reach, and you know whatnot. So judging with this, I can't have it too long, so I'll probably like have it around here. So let's go. So this is my lighter. Ooh. I'm going to just burn it. Make sure. You have to be very careful when you do this because it is hot. So here's my scissors. So you see, two down. Okay, so now let's do the rest. Ooh. So I will see you guys when I am done with, a good bit because I have to concentrate and yeah. See y'all in a few. Tell it to what? You know what? Let me finish that. When I finish, I'll get back to you. Because the reason I don't want to finish at all if I keep looking at myself like that. Oh, oh. I might bring it a little shorter. Yeah, I might bring it a little shorter. But we'll see. So guys, I'm done burning it. And what I'm going to do now is put it in some hot water. So let's do it. So see how it loosen up now? It's just loose. I like it like that. Ooh. Ooh. So I'm going to give you all a back view of it. So what I'm going to do right now is add a little bit of vitamin E oil and Jamaican black castor oil in my scalp to keep it moisturized, and then I'm going to pass this over it. So let's go.
I say,
body on this one, oh.
Ain't nobody but that. I don't wanna wait for nobody. I just wanna dance with you, mommy. I put my hands on your body. Don't be scared, don't you worry. I don't wanna wait for nobody. I just wanna dance with you, mommy. I put my hands on your body. Don't be shy, don't you worry. Too much juice, too much sauce. Too much sauce, too much juice. Too much juice, too much sauce. Too much sauce, too much juice. Too much juice, too much sauce. Too much sauce, too much juice. Too much juice, too much sauce. Too much sauce, too much juice.